Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all? Have you gone to Ranchpuja?
No, sir.
So, when you are planning to go?
Till now, no planning is there.
Okay, fine. So, Shruti, can you please count the number of benches present on the left? Count correctly. How many benches are there? Fourteen. Okay. So you have counted that there are 14 benches. There are 14 on your left, right? So, Sumit,
Yes, sir.
you please count the number of benches present beside it on that line.
Only this line.
Yes, only this one.
9, sir.
9. So, Shruti and Sumit, so how you have understood that it is 14? It is 9.
Sir, counting from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6 like that.
Okay, great. So, can anybody say that how many benches are there on my left or right?
On the left means so many rows is there.
No, not in my front. My left or in my front?
In your left hand there is no bench.
No, right. So, first of all, you have told 14 bench, you have told 9 benches. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, you have counted and told. So, what kind of number is the total counting as well?
Sir, 9 actually is a perfect square number.
No, I wanted to say that you have counted the number of benches. So, what kind of numbers are called counting numbers?
Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number.
Correct. Natural numbers. So, when the natural numbers are, when 0 is added to natural number, so what will become?
Whole number, sir.
Correct. Now, next, suppose you went to a shop
Yes, sir.
and you have only 10 rupees in your pocket.
Yes, sir.
Now, you want to buy a pen.
Yes, sir.
The cost of the pen is this pen.
Yes, sir.
Can you say that how much money you have short?
Sir, 10 rupees is 10.
Yeah, no. You have only 10 rupees in your pocket and the cost of the pen is 12.
So, 2 rupees short.
You are in a minus 2. You have less, which is less. And now you have planned that you will not buy this pen. You went to another shop and you found that the same pen costs only rupees 8. So can you say how much extra money is there?
I have 2 rupees extra more than this.
Right. So can you say what kind of numbers are those that is including negative?
Negative positive sir, these are number.
Correct. So Shruti, can you tell me in the last exam out of 20 how much you got in mathematics? Mathematics.
I know, she has put 7.
7 out of
20.
why so less? Why so less? Okay, no problem. You are weak in maths. Or can you say 7 out of 20? What kind of number?
Sir, decimal number.
What kind of number?
Rational number, sir. Fractional number.
Fractional number. Okay, fine. Fractional number. So, any more?
No.
Not bad.
No idea, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter that is rational numbers. Okay?
Sir, rational number, what is rational number, sir?
Coming. So before going to rational numbers, so what we have told now that is
Natural number.
first one is natural number. That is the evolution of numbers in our natural numbers. Then
So, whole number.
whole number. Then
Integer number.
integer number. Then the next one.
Sir, shooting number as you told, I want to learn this one. I have.
Okay, the next one will be telling is rational number.
Okay, sir.
So These three numbers we have already studied in lower classes. So our total focus will be on rational numbers. So first of all, what is a rational number? The number of the form p by q. Okay. The numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, but q will not be equal to this are called rational numbers, right?
Sir, why? Sir,
Yes, sir.
why q is 0?
Why q?
Is not equals to 0.
Listen, if q becomes 0, then number becomes undefined. Okay. Can you say so they don't always do?
Argument, sir.
So it is not a rational number. So now,
Sir, what?
Yes.
Sir, rational number is any value can come, like any positive, but we should not use
it can be 0, but this q cannot be 0.
Okay,
This q cannot be 0.
undefined number will not come.
No. Undefined number will come.
Means 0, positive, negative, everything will come.
So p become integer.
Yes, correct.
So p is the integer.
Yes, p and q both are integers, but there is a condition q is not equal to 0. Q should never be equal to 0. P can be 0.
P can be 0.
And q cannot be 0. So the proper definition I am writing.
So, sir,
Yes.
when p equals to 0, what is the value?
When p equals to 0,
What is the value of
when p equals to 0,
and q,
only 0.
like q equals to 2,
Q equals to
2 and p equals to 0.
so 0 by 2 is 3. 0 by 2 that is 0.
Undefined, sir.
No.
No, sir. Sorry, which one, sir?
This one.
0, sir.
Becomes 0. So the box question was valid. So I am writing the proper definition of rational number here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the number of the form p by q, where what I have told p and q
Integer.
are integer and
You got it, sir.
q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. So Shruti has told how much he got in math. How much you got?
7, sir.
You got 7. Okay. Example 7 out of 20. Fine. Then Sumit, how much you got?
3, sir.
Why 3?
Sir, I am very weak.
You both are weighing, na?
Yes, sir. That's why we are sitting together.
So how much you got in science? Tell me.
Sir,
Science.
sir, actually,
How much you got in science? Score.
sir, less marks I can.
And your posting your Shruti. How much you got in science?
Sir, 00.
Okay, I am taking it as double. Double zero means single zero only.
Yes, sir.
No need to write double zero.
Sir, we also said.
Okay. So these kind of numbers are called rational numbers. Now there is also a division between rational numbers. There is also division between the rational number, that is positive rational number. Now from the word positive, can you guess anything?
Means, sir, ratio will become positive. Ratio will become
Yes, all the integers which we will take, it will become positive.
positive. Yes, sir.
For example,
So, -7, -20.
-7,
-20.
yes, it can be.
Minus cancel it will be positive.
Straightforward, you can also say by 3 by 20.
Yes, sir. 7 by 20 also.
Yes, and for the negative one,
So, -7 by 20.
good. for upper layers B is minus 7. Or we can put minus the predominant part also because there is no. Okay. Then suppose we can write 7 by minus 2. Both are same.
Yes, sir.
No issue. Now, the definition of rational number is in here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we move on to the properties of rational number. Some basic properties of rational number. Now, properties of rational number. When we studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, we have studied 6 types of properties earlier. That is closure, associative, then commutative, distributive, identity, and inverse. Okay. In earlier that also the same properties will be studied here also. So the first one, which is closure. So before going to the word closure, can you say me what is the meaning of close?
Closure means, sir, close.
Close. Leave closure. Tell me the meaning of close.
Close means, sir, if we stand inside of a room, we close the windows and doors, the door and the closure.
Oh, okay, fine. So closure means if we pick any two rational numbers, that is A and B. Okay. So there sum, that is A plus B, is closed under condition. A and A plus B have to be a rational. Rational number. Now, their summation is also a rational number. And when we multiply both numbers, for not multiply, if we subtract both the numbers, it will also be a rational number. Right?
Yes, sir, negative positive.
Yes, rational numbers. Now, A into B, when we multiply both, it is also a rational number.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you say, is division always closed?
No, sir.
Why?
Suppose 7 by 0.
Yes,
How it will be argument?
correct. So, in case of division, it is not closure, right?
Yes, sir.
So, A by B is not rational.
If some condition will give, we not equal to the lithium.
Yes. If B not equal to zero, then it can be.
Yes.
So, if the property hold for general purpose, but
Sir,
if for specific purpose, it is not. Okay.
if condition will be different.
Yes. Then it holds true. Now, the first property is closure property. And let us take an example here. Sumit,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell me any two numbers, rational numbers?
Sir, 2 and minus 3.
2 and
Minus 3.
minus 3. Fine. So, add them. What will come?
Minus 1.
2 minus 3 is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So, this is rational.
Yes, sir.
Now, subtract them. 2 minus minus 3.
5, sir.
5. Rational.
Yes, sir.
And into B. 2 into minus 3 how much?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. And here division is also becoming rational,
Yes,
but
sir.
not in every case. Okay. So 2 by minus 3, this is also rational.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is with the example I have shown the property of closure. Now let's move on to the associative property. So wait, what do you mean by association? That is the meaning of association. Kumar, meaning of association?
Together. Sir,
Correct.
they are also in association.
Yes, also an association.
Yes, sir. I accept English string and PP, sir.
Correct. Okay, I am coming on to that later. Associating means association. So the
English
property
string
is
is
that.
PP, sir.
Yes.
English string is PP, sir.
Okay. English learning. Let it. Now please pay attention here. So associating. So what is associating? If A, B, C be three different rational numbers and we first add A plus B and then add C, the result will be same. If we first add B and C then add A. That is, if we change the brackets, there will not be any kind of change in the value, right?
Yes, sir.
So for addition it is true and for multiplication is also it holds true. A into B into C is equals to A into B. So we can verify it with an example. So
Yes, sir.
again I am taking the same example 2 and minus 3. Okay, you tell us the value C is.
-1 and -2.
I give the same example 2 and
Sir,
minus 3.
change it. No, -1 and -2.
Okay, sure.
-1 and -2 and +3.
Minus 1.
-2 and +3.
So, first of all, we see for this addition. Okay. So, A plus A plus C. -1 plus -2 plus. So, what will be now? 0 plus B plus C is equals to
That is also 0. -1 plus 1 is 0.
So you can see both if I change the brackets, so the result becomes same.
Rational number.
Yes, rational number and both are same.
Same as.
If we change the bracket, there is a no change in their result. So in case of multiplication also it will be same. In case of multiplication also the result will give us the same result. Okay. So let me multiply this little bit. -2 into 3 first one. So what will be the result? -2 into -2 into 3 is -6.
-1 into -6, that is +6.
Yes, good. And the next one -1 into
-2.
then into 3.
So +2 into 3 is
Yes, yes. So you can see
both conditions are
both conditions hold true,
Yes.
right? Now the next property is the next property will be distributive. Now, can anybody tell me the meaning of distribution?
Distribution, sir. If I have something I have to give you.
Distribution only or
Anyone.
more than one people?
Yes.
More than one people there is distribution.
Yes.
So here also the numbers get distributed equally. Okay, that is A into B plus C. Whether we add these two and multiply, the same result will come. A will be plus C. So this is also applicable with an example here. Can you tell please any other three set of numbers? Please.
So this one also taken. Okay.
Huh?
So 0, 1 and 2.
Okay, 0,
1 and
0, 1 and
2. -1 लेलो सर. -1.
okay.
नहीं 0, 1 and -1.
0, 1
1 and -1.
0, 1 and -1. So we will check the first thing. That is A into B plus. So first we will add BX
Yes, sir.
0 into
0 is
1 plus minus 1. Okay. This also becomes 0. 0 into 0 is what?
0, sir.
Okay. The next one, we will the distributed part. We will check for the distributed part. AB plus B. So you can see A is 0, 1 plus 0 into minus 1.
0, sir.
Okay, we have today learned about three properties. So another property that is fourth property. Fourth and the most easy property. That is commutative. Commutative is doing any operation. We will do any operation, but if we change the position of the number, then there will be no change in the result. That is, when you add two numbers, that is A plus B, and if you change the position,
B plus A.
C plus A, there will not be any change in the result.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, it holds true for multiplication also.
Okay, sir.
There, can you tell me any other values of A and B?
So we can decode it. We can do it. Because we have yes.
So, what is A plus B? 0 plus 1. B plus A, what is it?
So 1 plus 0 is 1.
So, both are equal.
Yes.
Check for again A into C.
0, sir.
0. So, B into A.
0, sir.
So, today in today's class, we have learned about three properties. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So, your home class will be This is the focus for you. First one is define rational number.
Coming down. Coming down.
Define rational number. List 5 different rational numbers. The second question is write the three properties of rational number along with example.
Okay, sir.
And the example which you will take will be different.
Yes, sir.
So today up to this only. In the next class we will learn about other things. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.